Yacht industry, meet your game changer. Our amphibious yacht transporter shatters limits, redefining how yachts move. Traditional handlers. Stuck on land or water. Not this one. It blends land and water tech seamlessly, tough tracks/tires for rough terrain, propellers/water jets to glide through waves. Adjustable frames/slings secure yachts of all sizes, safe, steady, no hassle. Powered by robust engines and hydraulic systems, it navigates any environment with precision. The future. Smarter, more automated, eco-friendly upgrades are coming. Need this innovation for your operation? Comment, quote, below to get your tailored price.